Can't find the private tab in Safari on your iPhone? In the next 60 seconds, we'll fix it step by step. First, open Safari. Tap the Tabs button in the bottom right corner to open the tab view. If you don't see private here, it's usually because content and privacy restrictions are hiding it. These restrictions are part of screen time, which can block private browsing for safety or parental controls. So, to get private tabs back, we'll quickly check and adjust one setting inside screen time. Make sure you know your screen time passcode if one is set. You may need it in the next steps. On your iPhone, open Settings, then scroll and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on, then tap Content Restrictions. Scroll down to Web Content. Tap it, then choose either Unrestricted Access or Limit Adult Websites. With web content set correctly, reopen Safari, tap the Tabs button, and you should see the Private tab option again. That's it. Your private tabs are back. Save this video for later and share it with anyone who can't find their private browsing in Safari.